find the moisture content of the soil using tensiometer. So first we have to know that what is tensiometer and which type of operation it has to be done. Like this is a tensiometer, and this has a length of 30 inch, in which it consists of a dial gauge, and there is a cup in bottom, so that we can, after beneathing the bottom into the soil, we can measure the reading of the tensiometer. So first we will, for this experiment, first we have to locate a site where we have to demonstrate this experiment. So first we have to borrow a line like this. Come closer. Borrow a line like this, and into it, the first we have borrow the land with around the height of the tensiometer, the height of the water. Okay. So first what we have to done is we have borrow this land and take out the around 30 centimeter of the soil from this hole. After that, we have to do is now is to take some of the soil and little bit mix with water like this and make a slurry out of it. Okay. So make the soil and make it slurry and just paste it near that cervical, near that cup, and we can to get the exact reading. Because it gets intact, we have to make a slurry and make a good paste so that it will get good contact beneath the soil. After that, we have to just fill the height of the tensiometer with water like this. You have to just fill the water whole column, so that there will be no any space between left, so that no vacuum will be created. After that, we have to close it with that cap, and now we have to see that if there is any vacuum left or not. So to do it, we have to use that vacuum instrument. This. Now you have to just cover the mouth of the tensiometer with this vacuum cleaner, with this vacuum pressure machine. Just press it a little bit more. Yes. When we have to just pump it till all the bubbles of the water been vanished, or it just become little tight to pull the plunger of the vacuum.
सही से नहीं लगा है, ऊपर सही नहीं लगा.
So now you can see that by pushing the plunger of the vacuum pressure, because we have to just take out all the bubbles, so that there will be not any air being kept in that gauze. Okay. If it becomes little tighter or little difficult to just pushing, then we can just stop it, so that there is no air left in the vacuum cleaner. Okay. I think it is now over. All the little. Just slightly from the knob of the knob. Yes. Now all the bubbles are been put out, all the airs. So now we have to just bury it in the place and fill with the soil like this, so that it will make a good contact and we should know the exact tension or the requirement of the water.
पूरा नहीं ब्लॉक करना. अच्छा.
We can also we have to ensure that the bottom of the cap should not be destroyed or broken down, so that it will be now very not possible for us to get the exact reading. So we have to do it very carefully, okay, because there are some pebbles also in that region, so we have to take out the soil with proper measures. We have to just fill it up to that reading mark, up to the soil height. Little bit lower than it will be sufficient to get a sufficient contact with the soil, so that it will give you the exact moisture content of that particular area. Okay. Okay, so we have just now filling it. Now please come closer so we can see that. Now you can see come to the dial gauge reading. Now it is showing here that the dial gauge reading is at 0, means that wet side. It shows that the water is totally in that tensiometer instrument. So at 0 it means it is fully saturated, means it is totally wet, full of water, this dial gauge column. And if in that the left side it is showing that dry, means 100%. When the dial gauge just move or shifted towards the left side, or from the just from 0 to upper side, it will show that the water is been sucked by the soil, or the tension has been created by the soil, so that we can know that how much the water is been sucked by the soil beneath the earth. So here it is now, it is 0, so that not quantity of much water now started. So we have to look it for some time, that how much water is been sucked by this soil, after how much time, what is the amount of the water, or how much percentage it will show. If it shows certain deflection from 0 to upper side like 10 or 20, it will show that the water is being sucked by it. Okay, so now we should wait for some time and see the operation will be carried out.